Here's the scooter, Cyberbot SpeedXman, and when I pull the brake, the light there is flashing. There is a sensor there, so it's below the brake. And if I push that in with my hand, then the light stops flashing. So currently it's released. That small black thing is released. Start it once again. So light is on. When I pull it, it's flashing. The red light is flashing. Okay, and if I push that thing in, then it's not flashing, it's continuously on. Release it and it's flashing again. Push it in and it's continuous. So that's the brake sensor. Now it's continuous because I'm pushing it in, and now it's flashing because it's released. So it's here at the brake. And it's working on the other one also. So it is below the brake lever. Now it is flashing because it's not pushed in. I push it in and it's continuous. The light is continuous. Now I will release it and it's flashing. So that black thing is being pushed in by the handle. Not flashing, flashing, not flashing again.